Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a really cool feature called reverse power sharing. Now this started with the Samsung Galaxy S10. My old phone over here is an S9, it didn't have it. You got to go ahead and look up your phone, see if it has it. Any of the Galaxy S's past the S10 should have it. Some other phones might have it too, so look it up. But in the menu here, in the button menu, we're going to find something called reverse wireless power sharing. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and you'll see it's ready to charge. All we have to do now is turn this phone over, and we could put any other wirelessly charging device on there. I don't see a huge need to charge other phones, but sometimes it might come in handy. Maybe I don't have a charging adapter for this, and it's different than the charging adapter for my phone that I can wirelessly charge from. So maybe I can give them some charge, but then I could plug in and charge my phone back up again. Of course, sharing phone to phone, you're just kind of gonna, lose battery as it gains battery, so you don't want to just lose all your battery. But that could come in handy sometimes. Now what I find this really handy for is stuff like wireless headphones. These things charge wirelessly. These are awesome headphones. I'll put a link below too because these are great. These are the Anker Liberty Air 2s, I believe they were called. Now these don't have a big battery. They're not going to drain my phone, but I could charge them for a little bit and get more power to last me throughout the day. So put them on there and you'll see right there start charging. So now I'll never run out of battery for my earbuds, and my phone isn't going to lose much battery charging them because they really don't have a big battery in there. They're pretty small compared to this 4,500 milliamp battery in the F21 FE I have here. Really cool thing for on the go, and any wireless device will charge off that. Pretty neat. Wanted to share that with you guys. It's a feature I didn't know about, and I just kind of happened upon it as I was looking up some information. Check that out. Have any questions, let me know. We'll see y'all later.